Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are transforming a simple glass jar into a magical glowing Christmas lantern using jute twigs, pine cone and nature beauty. This craft is budget friendly, easy to make and look absolutely stunning. And at the end of the video I will share a heartwarming Christmas story that will warm your heart just like the glow of our lantern. For Christmas lantern you will need only one empty glass jar, jute rope, hot glue, small twigs, pine cone, white paint for a snowy effect, fairy lights or an LED candle, and of course creativity and a little Christmas magic. First wash and dry your glass jar completely. Clean base make this lantern glow beautifully. Now take your jute rope and begin wrapping it around the bottom of the jar. This gives a rustic farmhouse Christmas look. Next, let add a teeny twigs on one side of the jar using hot glue twigs berries. Bring that winter wonderland filling. Then attach 2 or 3 small pine cones. If you want a snowy touch, paint the lips of the pine cone with white paint. This instantly turns your jar into a winter craft masterpiece. Add a light snow effect on the outside of the jar, just a little, not too much, to keep the lantern elegant and magical. Now that our lantern is ready, let me share a beautiful Christmas story with you. A story about light, hope, and kindness. In a small snowy town lived a elderly woman named Grandma Clara. She lived alone in a teeny wooden house at the end of the street. Her home was simple, but her heart was full of warmth. Every Christmas, she would light a little glass lantern, a small jar lantern she made by hand. Children loved because its glow was soft, golden, and comforting, just like Grandma Clara's smile. One winter, the town was hit by a heavy snowstorm. The electricity went out, every house became dark and cold. People stayed inside, worried and scared. But Grandma Clara lit her little lantern and stepped outside her door. The golden glow of her jar lantern shone brightly through the darkness. Slowly, one by one, people began stepping out of their home, turned to the warm light. Families gathered around her, children hugged her, and neighbors stood close together, feeling the warmth of lantern. Grandma Clara said gently, Christmas is not about how many lights you have, it's about sharing the lights you have, even if it's just one lantern. That night the storm continued, but the heart of the people were not longer in darkness. The glow of the small lantern made from a simple jar brought everyone hope. From that year, every home in the town light a little lantern on Christmas because they learn as long as one lantern is shining, hope is alive. Have a wonderful and amazing Christmas ahead. So keep shining.